And tell me who you are.
Okay, I'm Robert Goleman, and I'm owner of Hortus Botanicus, nursery specializing in weird plants, annuals, perennials, all kinds of things. Here we are in a carnivorous plant house or an exotics house, and one of the things that we specialize in are Nepenthes. This is a carnivorous plant. This is a hybrid of some Malaysian parents. It catches insects, devours them, digests them.
Amazing. It's pretty good size, too. Now,
It is.
Do they get bigger than that?
They do. There's one that gets up to about a gallon and can catch small monkeys and rodents, even though it's rare.
Wow.
And that's Nepenthes raja. Recent introduction is this one, although the traps that I'm showing you are kind of going by the wayside. This is still a young plant. This was discovered in the year 2000. This is Nepenthes jacquelini, named after Charles Clark's wife, Jacqueline. Discovered
Okay.
it. And then here is a new one that was just discovered several years ago. This is Nepenthes jambon. This is one of the first in cultivation. So this is a little tiny trap, but the full-grown traps can be about a foot wide.
Now, how do the traps work? I mean, I see there's water in there.
Yes. I wish I had my scissors on me. They have nectar glands around the openings, and sometimes it's the color. And the insects or organisms, sometimes even animals, rodents, reptiles, etc., are lured to that. They slip, fall in, and some of them have these, well, they all have these collars known as peristomes, which help hold them in. Some of them have very waxy walls. Let me take you to another one here. As a matter of fact, you can really see the trapping mechanism on this one. There's a waxy section there at the top, and then you see a perfect line. The top is the trapping mechanism. The bottom is the digesting mechanism. You can see the water down in there. And then this peristome, or the collar, which is on all of them, it's very tough, and it also helps anything that might have been able to crawl out. It helps keep it in there as well.
That's pretty ingenious.
And then also, if you see on this, there's this line here. This is the waist. It's at the same place as the waxy line is. When this starts to die, the top will die down to there, and then it can hold for months. The top will stop attracting insects or whatever to fall in, but then it keeps the digesting mechanism going for weeks or even months and months.